2.5 million stone blocks, some weighing more than 70 tons. Precision that rivals modern lasers. For thousands of years, one question has haunted historians and engineers alike. How on earth did they build this? The mainstream theory taught in textbooks is one of immense human ingenuity and brute force. It suggests a massive, spiraling ramp made of sand and rubble. Thousands of workers would have dragged these colossal stones on wooden sledges, leveraging simple tools like rollers and levers. It was a project of epic scale and logistics, taking decades and an entire civilization's focus. But for many, this answer feels incomplete. This leads to a second, more controversial idea, the lost technology theory. What if the Egyptians possessed advanced knowledge, now forgotten? Some point to the possibility of an ancient type of concrete or geopolymer, allowing them to cast stones on site. Others propose methods using sound vibration or exotic tools. Proponents argue that the flawless fit between blocks, without any mortar, hints at a sophistication we still don't fully understand. A technology that disappeared from history. And then there's the most sensational theory of all, the alien intervention theory. Popularized by ancient astronaut theorists, it suggests help from beyond our world. Could these beings have provided the blueprint or even the technology to construct these cosmic landmarks? They point to the impossible astronomical alignments and mathematical codes embedded in the dimensions as evidence of otherworldly knowledge. So, where does the truth lie? With the relentless sweat of thousands, with a forgotten science of the ancients, or with visitors from the stars? Modern archaeology firmly supports the first theory, but the debate is far from over. What do you believe? Drop your theory in the comments below, and if you're obsessed with ancient mysteries, hit subscribe. Next week, we investigate, was the Great Pyramid a giant power plant?